Your daily routine is about to get a major upgrade. These 5 Amazon finds are changing lives one home at a time. First, portable washing machine that's revolutionizing laundry day. 1/6L foldable capacity, perfect for underwear, baby clothes. Small items, apartments, dorms, hotels, clean clothes anywhere, anytime. Second, bathroom sink drain strainer that's ending clogged nightmare forever. Pop-up design, removable steel basket, hair catcher magic. 2-pack means backup protection for spotless drains. Third, automatic mouthwash dispenser that's making bathrooms feel luxury. Wall-mounted, rechargeable, 18 ounces capacity, 2 magnetic. Cups, touchless hygiene with 3 adjustable levels. Fourth, glass cups with bamboo lids that are Instagram-worthy perfection. 16 ounces capacity, wooden lids, straws included. Coffee, cocktails, tea, beer. Every sip feels premium. And last, shoe washing machine bag that's protecting your favorite kicks. Fits all shoe sizes and types, washer and dryer safe, clean sneakers without the damage or hassle. These aren't just products, they're the upgrades that smart shoppers are obsessing over right now. Don't miss out while everyone else is discovering these gems.